Hey everyone, Sarah here and welcome back to my channel. I am playing with the Happy Homes kits from Tiara Kits. I really apologize for not having a video last week. I am having camera issues. This isn't the first time this year this has happened. It just kind of stinks because I have an entire process video, but the entire thing is out of focus and I don't know why it keeps doing that. So it's absolutely driving me nuts. So I'll still share that layout, probably just on Instagram and stuff here before too long. But let's get back to this one. I have some pictures from when we went to the fair. And the girls, it's all kind of, well, most of them are to where they're kind of facing to the right, the right-hand side. And I wanted some color, but I didn't want it all the way across the layout. I kind of wanted it focused behind where the photos were going to go. Here they are. So I cut a half circle out of my page and I cut it out so rough because to me it didn't matter because I was going to rough it up with my edge distressor anyways, so it wouldn't matter. I just wanted like the shape there. So you saw me use my protractor to do that. Here you see a bunch of the flowers that I had fussy cut out previously from one of the papers that we have. And then right now I'm looking at the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, just trying to figure out some things I want. I pulled some ephemera out, you see down there to the bottom right. Here are some of the 4 by 6 cards. You can cut them down to 3 by 4 cards. I love these. I don't do a lot of Project Life, but I do my planner, and I also like using them as layers in my scrapbooking. I love what they can add to something. And so right here, I went ahead and added some of those behind my photos just to add some color, just add a little something else. And then that also made it to where I didn't have to cut up an entire, cut into a full 12 by 12 sheet of paper. I can use those for backgrounds and stuff like that. I do kind of hate that I left that cute little design in the center of that one, but I wanted the yellow behind my photo. So I went ahead and did that. This is a piece from one of the cut aparts, and I cut around it so it had all the numbers, coming around the side, and added that as a layer behind one of my photos. I'm just going to rough up the edges. That's what I keep going off camera to do over my trash can. Rough those up, cut that. It's a frame. That's what it was. It was a frame. I cut the frame in half so I can use the other half for something else. And instead of wasting a bunch of this behind there, I just cut it at like 6 inches so that it would cover where the circle is. And then I could tape everything down and it would be fine. And I can keep that other yellow piece for another layout. So I went ahead and did that. I'm going to adhere this down and I'm going to rough it up with my finger again. And then right here, last month we got distress spritz in our kit when you got the mixed media kit. And so right now I'm using the fossilized amber. Love this stuff. It's gorgeous. It has a beautiful gold sheen to it when it dries. I love it. And so I've kind of been reaching for that more often. I'm drinking my coffee, sorry. Here, I went ahead and rolled it so that I could start going, because if y'all have been to my channel before, you know I'm impatient, which actually causes messes a lot of the time, especially if I use mixed media, but this time it didn't, so it's okay. I'm going ahead and sticking some of my flowers down. That one said, "This matters most." It's just a piece of ephemera. That's just a little, actually that doesn't stay there. That moves, so it doesn't really matter. It stays on the layout, it just doesn't stay there. And it was from a cut apart as well. I'm going to pull some more of the flowers that I had fussy cut out and kind of fill in some of the holes. I just want, I want that yellow to stay. That says small moments. And really, I don't know if that really was a small moment. This is the first time my girls had ever gone to a fair. And they absolutely loved it. We actually went more than once. We stayed until almost closing one night, and then I decided to take them back again. And so we went a couple nights to the fair, and they loved it so much. If any of y'all follow me on Facebook or even on Instagram, I believe, I posted a video of them on one of the rides, and they had an absolute blast. So that was months and months ago. But I went ahead and grabbed the sequin confetti pack and sprinkled that everywhere, glued them down. Didn't make you watch all of that because it takes me a while, especially since I'm probably watching something while I'm doing this. I'm just gluing these little pieces down. I'm going to add some glue to the back of the frame. I never really glue the front of the frame down. I do that with a lot of stuff though, just in case I decide I want to slip something underneath it. So yeah. And then I use that cute wax seal. I love it. It's the moon and some stars, and it's gold, and it's just gorgeous. Here, I'm just going through and adding glue to bits and pieces, just making sure everything's stuck down. I mean, seriously, a very simple layout. Looks pretty in the end. These pieces I had die cut out, I think for for the layout that I haven't shown you, I had cut a bunch of stuff out for that. So you'll see that as well. But I'm just going to cut the stems off of some of these, tuck them underneath, just adding a little more greenery, just so that there's a little more to it, just makes it look a little fuller. I die cut those from one of the Echo Park papers in the kit. I'm trying to clean some stuff up. I grabbed the puffy stickers. I really only end up using one, and it says "So Happy Together." And then that finishes this layout. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Sorry for all my yakking. I always do it. So make sure to check out the links below. Come join us on Facebook. We'd love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.